My name is Amber Spargo, and I am part of the Middle Level Academic Services team. In this video, we are going to look at how to use a number line to add and subtract integers. In this numerical expression, I have -7 plus 3. And I'm going to show you how we can use a number line to support this solution. So I'm going to look at the number line and find the -7. I need to add 3 to the -7. And because I am adding to -7, I know that I am having an increase of 3. When there is an increase, I know that I am going to move to the right towards the positive integers. When I move 3 spaces to the right, I will land at -4, which is my solution of -7 plus 3 equals -4. You may remember the rule that if the signs are different, you subtract the numbers and use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. In this situation, I can look at the number line and see that -7 has a higher or greater absolute value than +3. That is why my solution will be a negative number. I also see that I moved 3 spaces to the right to get my solution of -4. Let's look at another example. In this example, I have -2 plus -1. I can also use a number line to add two negative numbers. Like in the first example, I will start at -2. In this example, I'm actually now adding a -1. When I'm adding a negative, I am going to see a decrease. When there is a decrease, I am going to be moving to the left. When I move 1 space to the left to represent adding a -1, I will land at -3. You may remember the rule. If the signs are the same, and in this situation I have a -2 and a -1, that you would add the numbers and keep the sign of those numbers. In this situation, I could add 2 and 1, and I would move 1 space to the left, and my solution would be -3. Now let's look at today how we can use a number line to support subtraction of integers. I have -2 subtract -3. I will again start at -2 on my number line. This time I am going to be subtracting a -3. That means I am going to be removing or canceling out 3 of those negatives. I also know that subtraction is the inverse or opposite of addition. If I was adding -3, I would move or have a decrease to the left. But because I am subtracting a -3, I'm doing the opposite and moving into the right. I will move to the right 3 spaces and land at +1. Again, in this situation, I was taking away or removing 3 of the negatives, which landed me at a +1. You may remember the rule. Change the subtraction problem to the equivalent addition problem, which we may remember as add the opposite, and then follow the addition rules. An equivalent addition problem to -2 minus -3 is -2 plus 3. Thank you so much for viewing our video for November. Stay tuned next month for another math tip.